This review is of Bird's Eye Steamfresh Sugar Snap Peas. It cooks in the bag. It is kosher. And you can see the steam coming off the pot because I don't steam anything in a bag because it's not good for you. Because no matter what kind of plastic they're using, the heat is going to allow some transfer of plastic chemicals into the food. Nothing artificial, of course. ConAgra is the distributor. And we've got instructions here for stovetop and for the microwave. And then nutrition facts. 3/4 of a cup has got no fat or cholesterol or sodium. 7 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, 4 sugars that are not added, and 2 grams of protein. And of course, it's just sugar snap peas. Let's try them. Okay. Time to try. It smells like peas. Wow, what a surprise. They're very rounded, very mature. They are sweet, of course. They're pretty good. I prefer fresh, obviously, but at least these don't go bad if you forget about them in the fridge. These are a solid 8. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.